Life is the greatest gift. Protect and cherish it, my brethren and my sister. Because today you there, tomorrow you gone.
See, big black people. Yeah, man. When them man are bragging,
General B, you know.
it's not for bragging,
Yeah.
So way back to the top, we must go.
When you see me approach with caution, which girl said that them better than me? But from me band, them no mother than me. Them a big group up, but me a one girl army.
Mother love with kisses and hugs. Mother love with kisses and hugs.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV, the man of peace. You know, we always say the violence of the streets. Live in love, unity, strength. You see me? Yes, man, big up everybody, anyone today, you know. And more life and blessings, you know, you see it? Yes, my people, I love blessings, man. I don't know life are the greatest gift. You see me, I say be grateful for the little that you have. In this episode, yeah, you know, we have Macka Diamond. This in the twins them again, Curly Locks, 2 Locks. Yes, when I say Beat and Paul, John was star. This time Macka Diamond, you got too far with the Macka. Boy, I tell my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to show you what I go on and you can let me know what you think of Macka Diamond's behavior in the comment section. You see me, we also have one mother love boss. That brother that were viral over TikTok. Condolence to his mother, but no matter have his mother dress and that go on with a bag of things. Condolence. See, yes, but we see enough people are burning out saying to take off the frock. You see me? Yeah, but let me know what you think about that. You see me? And you know, General B is currently in the UK, yes I know. Man, have a bag of show, man, book out. Yo, anybody want to link up with JNR, dub play session, you can link up Lionfoot. You see me? I link up Roddy Irie. You see it? Yes, man, I try to get to General B yourself. You see me? I say, big up yourself, General B. Yeah, man. Before that, my viewers and subscribers, you know, we're going to make an artist spotlight on an artist, a Jablas. Zane, yeah, man. I was singing forward the 10th, Rich Badness. Go on a quick snippet.
Rich badness, rich badness. Tired of sadness, time now for happiness. More rich like Andrew Olney.
Yes, man, the rhythm name Striptease, you know. Yeah, man, a long time we have the rhythm sit down pan, you know. Yes, I say, but ready for the road now, so yeah, man, I just say a thing there.
Rich badness, rich badness. Tired of owning time now for raving. More rich like my old day.
Yes, man, you hear the artist sit down pan the rhythm like a lizard, man, a limb. Talented artist and just need a break like myself here, you know. Big up yourself, Jablas. Yes, you don't know while it's on the work, you know what I mean, waiting for my bus to forward. A General B, I see pull up. I say, yo, General B. Right on my foot, the man pull up, you see me? Out there, I will have vibe, you see it? Yeah, but you don't know, you have to go up on the work. Big up yourself, General B. Watch a look a piece of clippings here.
See, big black people. Yeah, man. When them man are
Alright,
bragging,
General B, you
it's
know.
not for bragging,
Yeah. Yes, man. Hello, man.
Yes, when I want to be General B this time, I have to respect the General, because when they are chuck back, you know. They have a pure love the man a show me, you see me? Big up Chuck back on Adrian and Brigger. You see it? Remember the man that tell me say, General B, your General will tell me say, yo, you're bad, you go to hard for your Rasta man. Them telling me they have a song named Do You Right. I play up on the radio, you know, I beat my turban and them thing there, you know? Yes, man, Richie feelings that them say, yo, I mean, encourage your Rasta man. You tell the man to sing anything, man. You see me? You know, we got General B. General B currently in England. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you, the man book out. The man show me, him show them. Yo, man, hold up, show the man. I said, Jaja, come on, I take one day off for the work and go get some footage. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, but it's a job to see General B in England. Yeah. You know, not the first. You see me, but the man do him thing and a yellow king. Big up yourself, General B, and guidance and protection on the journey. Go and put in the work, see where you see it. Yeah, man. Anybody want to link up with JNR dub session also? General B, just link me up, see it? Yes, man, rich badness.
I had a chicken buckle, though some uncut. Time now for oxtail and now my gut. Me need a big house to move out of the hut. No man to me body, to see me now suck.
Up next now we see Macka Diamond clap back after the twins them clap back at her. And after her rant, Twins of Twins them do them podcast again, and this time one side I breast them long and take long for reach the video, the camera the way it long down and dip on all the fans, and the next one say I hold done out and be sitting. So Macka Diamond clap back again, and this is how she clap back.
So way back to the top, we must go.
Yo, me can't believe me eyes. I will Macka Diamond burial ground. Macka Diamond get $2 and go and say the Twins of Twins. I no Macka Diamond. Me no run them joke there. Even though it's not the twins them, cause Dolly don't look like them, but I still them share this, you see me?
Gunshot will fire. If you go run off, you mouth me burn you like car tire. Woman that you weak.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think of that. I know it went viral yesterday. I had it, but the amount of people who sent it to me, say lie at the foot. But they do that with already, because I say, yo, Macka Diamond, stylings. But I just say Macka Diamond, so she tired of them, you know. And who I am here, I tell you. That's why I'm saying enough for war with woman, you know, because woman faced, you know. You see me? But viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that scene. Yeah, man. My advice is Twins of Twins and for just avoid Macka, yeah, man. You see it? Anyway, moving on. One Mother Love. Condolence to the One Mother Love family. I'm part of Balaclava there. You know, she passed away, and the general, I take it in a different way, you know. Yeah, man. So what am I going with?
Mother love with kisses and hugs. Mother love with kisses and hugs. Mother love with kisses and every day it's a mother day. Every day it's a mother day. Every day it's a mother day. Mother day. Every day it's a mother day. Every day it's a mother day. I wish you happy Mother's Day. I wish you happy Mother's Day. I wish you happy Mother's Day. That's the world can live good today. Hey! Wish you happy Mother's Day. I wish you happy Mother's Day. I wish you happy Mother's Day. And me pick up DVJ. Jay! Wish you happy Mother's Day. Wish you happy Mother's Day. Wish you happy Mother's Day. Everybody for work forget pay. Pay! Wish you happy Mother's Day. I wish you happy Mother's Day. I wish you happy Mother's Day. Get a you to the figure astray. Shay! Wish you happy Mother's Day. I wish you happy Mother's Day. I wish you video man, them don't know, you know.
No, my love.
Them don't know. Watch this nuts. Inch me just an inch and a square, me just a square. Now for them can't hold Mother Love this year. Inch me just an inch and a square, me just a square. Now for them can't hold Mother Love this year. Enough boy rich and them body upon them. Can't go see cause the body will drown them. Nuts. It's me who Mother Love the DJ. It's me that tune and name them must feel away. Being the man that talk about the Grammy DJ. He must propose as him cigar or go PG. He must feel away. He must feel away. It's me who Mother Love the DJ. It's me that tune and name them must feel away. Being the man that talk about the Grammy DJ. He must propose as him cigar or go PG. He must feel away. He must. Don't so.
Yeah, man, I want Mother Love, you know, boy, the general I take it in a different way style. You know, it's not nice to lose a loved one. You know, your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your child. You get me? Big up the whole Balaclava, you know. You see me, you know, I perform down there already at the school, Balaclava High School. All courtesy of real scale. You see me, I say, 45. Yeah, man, but one Mother Love boss, John No star. One lost his mother star, and, you know, see a lot of people are telling him come out of the skirt, he can mourn, but him not for going on the skirt, you know. You see me? Boy, me I tell you. Yeah, but I really feel him have to put on the mother skirt still, but he's to the moon and him are grieving in a different way, you know. Yeah, man, so that's at the end of the vlog, my viewers and subscribers. Let me know what y'all think of that. You see me? And condolence again to the One Mother Love family, you know. Yeah, man, a lion for the man of peace. I was sitting by off the streets. Blessed love. See? Holy Emmanuel I Selassie. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. I'm out. Not another word out of me, I'm out. Yeah, man. Oh, and one last thing. Please remember to go and check out the artist Jab Last. Him new song a drop, Rich Badness, the 10th of May. See? Yeah, man.
Songs me a write and I go and fight up. Money me need for me kids a come up. If you see me on the bus step I go and conduct car. You see me on the garbage truck. I just Rich Badness.